Assalamualaikum students. Today we will solve the exercise of unit number 12. The name of the unit is River Indus Saga. We will start from the comprehension. A. Reading for details. Answer these questions in a few words. How do rivers grow in size? Answer. Melting snow and pouring rain on the mountain's top increase the volume of water in river, hence size of the river grow. Read the list of languages and tell which languages have you heard or can. Answer. I have heard following languages. Number 1 Urdu, number 2 Punjabi, number 3 Pashto, number 4 Kashmiri and number 5 Sindhi. What do we learn from the excavations of Mohenjo-daro? Answer. Excavations of Mohenjo-daro revealed that it was built on elevated ground in district Ladkana of Sindh province. Discuss the relationship of gravity and the flow of water. Answer. Gravity is force of attraction between earth and bodies on earth. All the bodies come from high points to low points under the action of gravity. So when water starts flowing from mountains to lower land, its speed is very high under the force of attraction. What do you think is the reason for the color of the river water? With the passage of time, the minerals from the rocks are dissolved into water and cause different colors. Sediments also change water colors. Erosions from river banks bring soil into water, changing the color. Algae can change the color of water from dark green to reddish. Next we have the true or false, and we have to give the evidence from the text to support our answer. A river is like a human life. It is true, and the evidence we can get at the page number 133. The first line, a river is a source of life and fertility. Next, every province has only one language. This is false, and the evidence we have is at page number 134, the paragraph number 3, and the first 3 lines are the evidence that this is a false statement. Excavations do not tell us much about the past. This is also false, and the evidence is at page number 133. The last 3 lines are the evidence. The next question, would you like to live close to a river? Give reasons for your choice. There are many benefits to living close to a river. Number 1, pollution free environment. Number 2, fresh water supply. Number 3, the fresh air to breathe. Number 4, fishing and hunting near riversides. Number 5, good for cultivation of crops. How many languages can you speak, read, write, make a chart? We have made a chart in which we have written the languages that we can speak: Urdu, Punjabi, English, and the languages we can read are Urdu, Punjabi, English, and the languages we can write are also Urdu, Punjabi and English. Indus civilization makes us proud. Discuss. The answer is Indus Valley civilization was one of the 3 early civilizations of Northeast and South Asia. It flourished in the basins of river Indus, which flows through the lengths of Pakistan. It is named after Indus River system. Excavations of Harappa and Mohenjo-daro reveals the urban plan included sanitation system, water from wells, separate bathing facilities, wastewater to cover drains, and smaller lanes. The massive walls of Indus cities protect them from floods. Hence, the Indus civilization were for advanced planned and access of various facilities to all the inhabitants. At page number 140, we have a task that circle the word that best completes each analogy and explain why you choose your answer. Number 1, cat is to mouse and spider is to dash. The answer is fly, and we can explain our answer as cat catches mouse so as spider catches fly. Number 2, giraffe is to spots as zebra is to dash. The answer is stripes. As giraffe has spot on skin, similarly zebra has spot on skin. Number 3, triangle is to 3 as pentagon is to dash. The answer is 5. As triangle means 3, so penta means 5. Number 4, hungry is to eat as 30 is to dash. The answer is drink. And the explanation is as hungry person eats, so thirsty person drinks. At page number 140, we have the definitions of similes and metaphors, and after that we have a task that below are sentences that contain a metaphor or simile. Identify which is used in each sentence and write the metaphor or simile in the blank. Number 1, the sky was the color of the calm Pacific thousands of miles from land. This is metaphor. Number 2, I am as hungry as a bear recently awakened from hibernation. This is similes. Number 3, she was a kite floating above the confusion around her. This is metaphor. Number 4, like a silent thief, the dog crept into the kitchen. This is simile. Number 5, the dark, cold and silent room was a tomb. This is metaphor. Number 5, the sunshine was like a warm blanket on a cold and rainy night. This is similes. At page number 142, we have a task that complete the sentences with a present perfect verb phrase. प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस में हम हैज़ और हैव का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. ही, शी, इट या सिंगल नेम के साथ हैज़ लगाते हैं और बाकी के साथ हैव का इस्तेमाल होता है और हमेशा वर्ब की थर्ड फॉर्म इस्तेमाल होती है. तो हम इस टास्क को सॉल्व करते हैं. नंबर 1, हेली विजिट मैनी कंट्रीज़. इसको हम प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट में चेंज करेंगे. हेली हैज़ विजिटेड मैनी कंट्रीज़. Number 2, my sister eat Chinese food before. My sister has eaten Chinese food before. Number 3, I find the solution to the puzzle. I have found the solution to the puzzle. Number 4, we meet the teacher recently. We have met the teacher recently. Next task, select the words that correctly complete each sentence. Ramzan dash the entire garage. We will circle on has not cleaned. Ramzan has not cleaned the entire garage. Number 2, the friends dash to the market. The correct answer is have not gone. The friends have not gone to the market. Next task, improve each to use a negative present perfect phrase for the underlined. हमारे पास कुछ sentences मौजूद हैं. इनको हमने present perfect sentences में नेगेटिव फॉर्म के साथ चेंज करना है. नंबर 1, द डॉग डिड नॉट हर्ट इट्स लेग. द करेक्ट आंसर इज द डॉग हैज़ नॉट हर्ट इट्स लेग. नंबर 2, माई फ्रेंड डिड नॉट स्टील माई चेयर. माई फ्रेंड्स हैव नॉट स्टोलन माई चेयर. नंबर 3, करीम डिड नॉट स्टडी वेल फॉर द टेस्ट. Kareem has not studied well for the test. Students, I hope you have noted down the exercise of unit number 12. If you have any question, you can ask in comment section, and do subscribe this channel and share as much as you can. Take care. Allah Hafiz.